How you doing, guys? Derek here with Dad Guys. Just wanted to show you, this is the winter storm that's coming across Michigan, lower Michigan right now. We've got about, I'd say, 4.5, 5 inches so far. So, alright guys, hope you have a great day. Enjoy this weather. Get some snowmobiling on. Peace. Alright guys, I know I said peace. I just wanted to show you the backyard. And got a little bit of snow out there. Well, we're expected up to a foot. So, be pretty fun. There's my owl. It's a 16-inch owl on top of that. That's my chicken feeder. Got one of my snowmobiles out there. Took the carbs out to rebuild, and